How to clear Snapchat data. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So in order to clear Snapchat data and free up space on your device, here's what you can do. Go ahead and open your Snapchat application, or you can simply tap and hold on to this application, tap on the eye icon in the top to go to app info, then scroll down and tap on storage. Click on clear cache and also click on clear data, then tap on delete to confirm. This will delete all your snaps and chats, logins, settings, personal info, app activity, and everything. Another thing you can do is you can clear your data or cache under account actions in Snapchat. So go ahead and open your Snapchat application. Tap on the avatar icon in the top left corner of your screen. Then tap on the gear icon in the top right. Scroll all the way down in the settings page and then tap on clear cache. And then click on continue to confirm. And all of your cache will be cleared, but your memories backup won't be deleted. You can also choose to clear your conversation, delete your AI data, your search history, and all. And on iPhone, you can't clear app directly, so you need to uninstall and reinstall Snapchat to clear the data. It's necessary to delete the Snapchat application and then reinstall and log in. Clearing the cache removes temporary files without deleting your account or saved snaps, and clearing data via phone settings resets the app and you will need to log in again. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.